Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, if you're watching my video for the very first time, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button which is just next to it. So guys, today I'm going to unbox and review about a fab bag of January 2018 edition. So this is the box which you can see in my hand. So let us see what all the nice products for this January edition has. So this is the bag. I like this bag very much. It's a nice cute pouch where you can store your makeup or your skincare products into it. So this is a very nice thing. The fab bag has a very nice pouches. If you see the previous videos of mine, so you can see different kind of pouches which I have received from a fab bag. So guys, if you want to buy this product, I will provide all the details in a description box, so you can go ahead and choose your plan. You can choose your plan according, it's a plan for a 1 month, 3 months and a 6 months, or a 1 year as well. So I will provide all the details in the description box, so you can go ahead and see. So let us see what I have received for this January 2018. So first let me show you this card. So this is the card which says Dear Kalyani, and you can see a list of products into it. So the another card it's a contestant card where you need to click a picture for a January fab bag, and you can tag this fab bag on a Facebook, Twitter and an Instagram. So the first product which is this, it's from a Glow. So they have provided me a mail to it, so I have chosen this product. I like this product. Let me see. I will use this product, and certainly very soon I will give you a review about it. So the another product is this is a pure charcoal soap. This soap basically cost for rupees of 200, and the Glow Illuminator, this was cost for 2299. And guys, I'll tell you, this bag I have done a 3 month of subscription, which is for 1599, and this is the first product which I have received, which is for a 2299. So you can see the fab bag. It's a very nice subscription bag, so you can go ahead and buy if you want. So yeah, so this is the second product. This is a pure charcoal soap. I have never used it. I'll use it and let you know. So the another one is from Ayurvedic Vedantika Neem and Tulsi Aloe Vera Face Wash. So yeah, so this is the third, and this is from a Kronecker brand. Yeah, Kronecker brand is a very good brand. All products are paraben free, silicone and a mineral oil free. So I have never used this hair oil. I will use it and let me review it very soon. So this is this is the foaming face wash. I have never used this product. So let us see. So guys, basically telling about a fab bag is that you can you get to try some new brands products. And so this is the review about this, and I have unboxing. And guys, if you have liked this review, please go ahead and show some love to my channel by subscribing and giving a big thumbs up. So yeah guys, so this was all about this unboxing, and stay style and shine.